Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan fish. We'll dive into creating a plant-based alternative that captures the taste and texture of traditional fish, perfect for any meal. You'll learn about the core ingredients and simple steps to achieve a satisfying, cruelty-free dish that everyone will love. Get ready to transform your kitchen with this innovative recipe, offering a fantastic, sustainable option. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. We'll use 1 can of banana blossom, drained and gently shredded, to create that flaky, fish-like texture. 2 sheets of nori, cut into strips, are crucial for imparting an authentic sea flavor. Mash 1 cup of chickpeas with your favorite seasonings, like Old Bay, garlic powder, and a little salt, to add depth. Finally, whisk together 1 cup of flour, half a cup of plant milk, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for a light, crispy batter. Once your vegan fish pieces are assembled, it's time to cook them to perfection. Dip each piece into your prepared batter, ensuring a full, even coating. For a classic crispy finish, pan-fry them in about 1 inch of oil, heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 5 minutes per side until beautifully golden. If you prefer baking, place them on a lined sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping once. Air frying at 375 for 15 minutes also works wonderfully. Now for the best part, serving your delicious creation. Garnish your vegan fish with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of parsley. It pairs wonderfully with classic sides like crispy French fries, a creamy vegan coleslaw, or a light green salad. Don't hesitate to experiment with flavors. Try adding smoked paprika or a dash of cayenne to your chickpea mixture for a spicy kick. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready for a quick reheat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.